Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to count in Fulfulde. We are going to count from 1 to 20. To count, the verb to count in Fulfulde is limugo. A number in Fulfulde is limore. The action of counting in Fulfulde is limgal. 1 is go, 2 idi, 3 30, 4 nai, 5 joy, 6 joego. Notice that a 6 is equal to 5 plus 1, then it is joy e go. Then we say 6 is joego. 7 is joy e didi, then we say joe didi. 8 is joy e tati, then we say joe tati. 9 is joe nai, joy e nai. 10 is sappo. Now 11 is 10 plus 1, then we say sappo e go'o. 12 is sappo e didi. 13 is sappo e tati. 14 is sappo e nai. 15 is sappo e joy. 16 is sappo e joego. 17 is sappo e joedidi. 18 is sappo e joetati. 19 is sappo e joenai. And 20 is nogas. Jangen binden Fulfulde.